Hey everyone, it's Kenny here. So I'm on my way out to sell my toys. I usually sell it on COD. Actually, it's only COD lah. So I sell it at MCOP Mall. So and also somewhere nearby here, Wangsa Walk Mall. Okay. So I don't do postage because I don't have the box, and frankly speaking, I don't have the packing materials, and do postage also very troublesome actually, because sometimes I send over and the postage, right, the price is more than what I charge. Then I cannot be asking money extra top up. But basically I don't like the hassle of packing the things and then send, and then the buyer some of my buyers actually found out, right, the box actually dented lah. These are things are all out of my control, and the things that I sell usually are not open, are new, so I don't want to send by postage or COD only. So I've been doing this like 4 or 5 times, and frankly speaking, this is my final. I've already made up my mind. This is the last time I'm going to buy and sell things that I don't need. Okay, buy things that I don't want or don't need. So let's go lah. I don't want to wait, keep the buyers waiting. So for today's batch, these are the ones that people ordered. So I'm going to go for COD now. Most of these toys are actually unopened, new. Some are back in box. And I'm actually losing money by actually selling this. Actually, that's how bad the market is. Just came back from MCOP Mall. Yeah, every time when I sell my toys, right, without fail, there will be some conversations that will happen one. And there will definitely be people that is interesting to talk to, you know, people that's new to this collecting things. And today is no different. Met someone who's also from the same era, yeah, the millennials. Basically, he's actually collecting the Spider-Man and also X-Men out of nostalgia. And he asked me why I actually stopped sell the stuff lah. Actually, frankly speaking, I told him I got too many of these. And then I sell after I realized, right, I showed you the things that I just sold. Like for example, Spider-Man. Okay, the retro carded Spider-Man is not the first time they release. So they have released like few times already. Why is this so? Because as you manufacture, the cost of the things are getting cheaper. Okay, as you manufacture in volume, right, once you reach an economics of scale, the cost of the item is getting cheaper. The material also that they use, plastic, is actually very cheap. We have so many abundance of plastics right now. Okay, it's actually being filling in the landfills, and is in some places it becomes pollution, plastic pollution. So there's no reason for these toys to be selling like what, 125 ringgit for PO, okay, and keep on increasing year after year. No such thing. I think it's very stupid. If you talk about property, today if I buy property, yeah, property increase every year. That is kind of logic, because land is scarce. Land you build at that piece of land, that's it. There's no more other place you can build that property. This one is plastic. Every time you go and you have one more, you can just print as many as you want. Infinity, you know, infinity. And the reason why they are still printing all this and selling extra high price is because people are buying. That's it. There's a demand for it. I've spoken to also a lot of these new collectors. They never read the comics, or have never read the comics, but they came in because of MCU. There's Spider-Man, Homecoming, Justice League, or for those DC one. So they go in. McFarlane also the same thing. Everything plastic. Plastic is very cheap. Basically, plastic. The cost is, you can ignore the cost actually. So the companies, right, they know this. They know that people are buying. That's why they keep on increasing the price. If I am running the company, I will do the same. I will do the same, because these are public listed companies. Hasbro is public listed. Marvel is public listed. Okay, it's owned by Disney. McFarlane has been in this business for so long, so definitely they are also looking to earn money. I'm not surprised if one day they go for listing. Okay, but I don't think Todd needs it lah. Todd don't need the extra scrutiny. I was also speaking to a vendor about Bumpresto. Bumpresto is those that they come out anime merchandise stuff. Last time, right, when Bumpresto came out stuff, right, they usually don't reissue anything anymore. Once they come out means you finish, means that's it. But these days, right, the vendors themselves are noticing that the catalog from last year, they every year they repeat once or twice, especially for characters that's very famous, or even like female characters. People, things like IPs like Dragon Ball. Every month you see catalog, sure got Son Goku one, sure got Son Gohan one, sure got these famous characters. You cannot run one. If it's not on the Bumpresto line, it's a Bumpresto Grandista or Nero or some other line or WCF, sure got one. Okay, even One Piece also. Every month so she got Luffy, Zoro, or this Nami. Okay, these female characters. So you get the picture. It has become a way for them to actually earn money. Okay, Bumpresto, if you all don't know, is actually owned by Bandai, and Bandai is listed in Johor. Johor pula. Sorry, Japanese stock market. Okay. So why I'm saying is because at the end of the day, the exclusivity is also not there. You keep on reissue, I just wait lah. Why do I need to FOMO? Okay, I can just buy it another time down the road. So why are they doing this? They are all publicly listed company. Marvel, Hasbro, Bumpresto, Bandai, they are all publicly listed companies, right? So they want to increase revenue. They want revenue. So to increase revenue, to increase sales, and to increase profit, they need these three things. They either reduce manpower, that means reduce headcount, retrench. I only seen Hasbro doing this. Second is to increase the price of their products. Third is to introduce more new products to the market, or repeat the product that has demand. Okay, introduce more product or repeat the product that has more demand. So that's why it explains, right, the reissue here. The reissue here is actually playing at nostalgia. I was telling also the customer that came, they are playing at nostalgia, especially the millennials like myself, the older millennials. We are 30s and closing to 40s already actually. So we are the ones that is buying actually. The kids are not buying. The kids can't afford this kind of pre-order of like a Hasbro stuff pre-order, 125 ringgit. Okay, so they are buying just because of MCU. MCU come in, so they thought, ayo, there's a hype, right? They buy. Most of the time, these people, especially the younger ones, the younger generation, they take it as speculative things to buy sell. That's what they do. Okay, and people like myself, right, we actually buy and keep one. So how many Spider-Mans you want to buy? How many Optimus Prime you want to buy? Okay, I just sold off Soundwave also, retro Soundwave. How many retro Soundwave do you want to buy? It's the same every year. They will release. Okay, and that's why this generation, right, the new generation, the comics also, they speculate, like Spider-Man. I remember reading the Spider-Man vintage comic. Now like every 2 years, right, they relaunch and renumber Spider-Man issue 1, Spider-Man issue 1. The real issue 1, ladies and gentlemen, is 1962. Okay, that is the real issue 1, Amazing Spider-Man issue 1. The rest are all relaunched. This relaunch is to capture the new market, and the new market, they don't know the history of this Spider-Man. Okay, back then they are not reading, they are just coming in from now because of MCU. And that's why and also the new animes, One Piece anime is also in final stage now. So these companies, right, they are very, very good at marketing. They release all these movies to attract new buyers, new speculators, new buyers, new people, new fans. They need this new fan base. Okay, so the older ones like myself, we know the characters from young. So that's why we are attached to it. We have emotional attachment. The companies know this. The companies will release it at 125 because people like us will buy. The young ones, like, they don't know the price of the previous figures. They don't know. Okay, when they first started collecting, their price point is 125. That's what they know. So that's why they come in to them Okay lah, buy C a bit, okay, sell, never mind. Or can flip a bit or sell, never mind. That's what they do. Also, another part that is interesting actually, we talk about buy and keep in box, just to display, especially the carded ones. They're very nice to display and also open. There are a few types of collectors. Some collectors, right, like to buy three. They'll buy one to display, one to sell, and one to post, one to open. Okay, some collectors like to buy two, one to open, one to display. There's many types, but the thing is that these companies, they know this also. That's why they cater to this group of people who wants to buy three, buy two. For me personally, I've explained in the last video I've shared, I don't find joy to just keep it in the cart anymore, because it's no value. The next moment, the next year or what, there's going to be the same retro carded Spider-Man, there's going to be the same retro carded X-Men, same design, everything. Why should I keep? So I open all my figures, I put it in post. I post it, that's it. And I'm also not the type, right, that will take out a figure and nicely go and post, take photo. I have a friend who does this. He's an independent toy maker. So he makes his own toy and he does. So he buys these second-hand figures to do research. That one okay. That one he does it as a business. I have a few friends who are doing this. I think one or two of them. They make their own toy, their own IP. So they buy these toys and they sometimes they dismantle, they custom made. Okay, then they resell. Those are good. Those are business. And I've also known some comic professionals. They buy the comics just purely to study the artwork, the lines, and the inking, the coloring, the lettering, because they also draw comics. Okay, that's it. So to me, right, these people, they should be buying because it's their job. For people like us who just want nostalgia, to me personally, don't waste your money. Just buy one that you need. You'll be okay already. Unless of course you have so much money, you don't know what to do with it, then go ahead. Okay, when you have money so much, that's not your, that is, you can do whatever you want. Okay, for me, that's not an option at the moment. Finally, I also have a bigger fish to fry right now. Okay, I'm trying to grow my media company. I think if you all follow my real estate channel, you all know I'm in real estate, but at the same time I'm building a media company. So media company means I need to create content, I need to go to places. I rather go to places to eat and I can put up in this channel than rather go and do a video like a affiliate video for toys. Toys don't make so much affiliate even from affiliate or even from YouTube AdSense. So it doesn't make sense for me lah. And they keep repeating, then there's only so much review I can do. I can't be reviewing the same Wolverines every day, every other month. People also get bored, I also get bored. But toy reviews will still be here. So I'm very open to people to sponsor a toy for their reviews, just for reviews, but I don't have to buy the toys. Okay. And next one, right, I find that I've been doing this like 4 or 5 times. I really don't like the local toy buyer attitude. Yeah, I seriously don't like. Low ballers. You put let's just say you put 100 ringgit and you know that new item costs like what, 200, already half price, right? Sometimes they can come in, just offer you 50 bucks. Okay, lucky Carousel allow the listing price to be fixed right now. Previously the Carousel, oh my god, it's so free, so that anybody can just make an offer and then it's up to you to accept or not. And second is that they are very fussy. Little bit off from there, they ask pictures. Bro, the new item is 200. I am selling 100 ringgit. You cannot just go and buy 100 ringgit and go and do whatever it is you want. You can try to remove the stain or whatever. Just ask me for extra pictures and all this. Sorry, I sell very cheap because I don't want to deal with all this hassle. Okay, so you either take it or leave it Never mind one. This item I sell 30 bucks. Also got people ask me whether the stain can come out or not. I have no intention to entertain all this. And then got item I sell 15 ringgit, ask me whether I got go outside and deliver 20 minutes away from my place, and I don't even stay nearby. 15 ringgit, no, and the item is new. If you want to buy a new item, it's cost 50 ringgit. I'm selling for 15 new, and still ask me to go and deliver. So these are the common things among the Malaysian buyers, because I list on Carousel and FB Marketplace, so I don't do postage, right? So my market is only local. So it's very frustrating. But I've learned how to, like, you know, accept it, take it a bit with a strike lah. What I cannot stand was the invasion of privacy. I find that it's really invasion of privacy and a sense of entitlement. There's this case, right, where I actually put an item for sale. So when I put an item for sale on Carousel also never say when I need to reply, right? Okay, so I put it, I think a few hours later, I got received a phone call from a number that I didn't know. So this phone call, the person over the phone asking me, I'm from Carousel, who, I can't remember. Then say, you're from Carousel? How you got my number? The person actually went to the friend who's a buyer who bought from me before, so I passed my number, to get my phone number and call me just because they don't want to reserve the item. So to all the buyers out there or sellers out there, please learn how to respect privacy. Okay? The reason Carousel never asked me to put phone number or give optional is because people like us want privacy. Okay? Don't think that you are the only one who wants to buy a thing, or you want to buy a thing, so I as a seller, I have to be grateful to you. No, there's no such thing. This is a invasion of privacy. Okay? You don't go behind people's back and call. You want the item, you wait. You make an offer and you wait. The person is not obligated to reply you anytime. Okay? Most of us out there in Carousel, we are part-timers or we're selling our own collection. Okay? So these days I actually use a lot the block button. I don't care actually. Last time okay, I still entertain, but this is really too much. This incident is really too much. I do not like people to go behind and disregard the privacy. There's a reason why they don't allow you to put your phone number in Carousel, okay, or anywhere. Your phone number is your phone number. So next time, I hope that your buyers, or whether you're buyers or sellers, you please be reminded of this. You're not obligated to give your phone number. You're not obligated to actually sell to the person. If the person wants to buy, the person just wait. There's a rules to it. Okay. Last but not least, before I go, I've spoken to some of you who have told me that given me feedback that some of the customers found you all from my YouTube channel. If you all have these customers that they come to you from my YouTube channel, I hope that you all can come to my channel and just share with your friends and family, share with your customers next time. Okay, help me promote my channel that's what I'm saying. Okay. That's all from me lah. This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video.